We in the bush hunting common fowl. But give we a warm time though. I'm gonna run on the fence line. Tell me side here. Dip on the side line.
Eat the people.
Young chick, we gotta eat you today.
They ain't catch you shooting, but we have some little short clip we can show now. Screenshot user on the camera. When the camera need it down, the camera need up. We shoot him. Tough enough people, shot in the head, you know. You ain't look like him alright, see me.
Can't catch them all. Down a young daddy, quick, listen. Young.
Nice. You know, we can't show him here. This kill him and thing, but we're sure we don't kill him and clean him up.
Yeah.
I'm sure we have deed him. You know, YouTube thing said. Stop the gift.
He can't go. He can't go.
Just get one shot.
Yo.
If anything can go,
yeah?
You don't get no good shot. People ain't get a good shot. Mardus. Broken ducks right there, so.
You get there.
You know what I'm saying? Get there.
You know if you kill him, I can just scare him up, so. Me touch him and he drop, daddy. Me know I can get it.
Me know.
Yeah, that big one over there, say.
Wait, you say me mash up?
Me touch him.
I give
Alright, now Eddie get in.
I'm lick off time to a while ago.
That's in just drop up. Me say, yeah, man.
See, show me licking me, watch out.
No,
Right there, so. Watch it.
It's alright, now. So I'm put him up in a go first. I want to pick. The one you active in that didn't kill you back. Where dog the puppy? You know I'm making catch one for me. See in the back of you. Touch him in there and don't stop me, say, yeah, man.
Yeah, peeps, see me?
Yeah, that one tired too, you know
See
that?
me? No friend here him down.
Me
See
know
him
I
big,
take-
no friend here him
me
down.
not take the other one. If me catch the other one, me da let go that
Friend
one.
here him down.
The other one. That one a couple of them.
Young, you wanna feel like he's young.
Young.
Wanna look like him young though.
Ready for it.
Soft and nice. My mom tell her. Tomorrow.
One it, I look him in
Pick out the end, if you don't pick out the end.
Me touch him. We catch one this man no, with that dog there. I'm catching this.
Bye,
Yeah, more. Yeah, more.
That good man. May I have one plate tomorrow?
Take up, you know. Take up, you know.
Take up it. Take it on, you know.
Sure, me. From California.
Mad people, mad today.
Sure, me. Gosh. This is the get in the spirit.
The people.
Yeah, you that. Sima.
Zima. Zima dog. You want more?
That good one.
Nah, give them the rest of them.
Alright. So the people.
They name some money. They know what I'm.
A good man. Can't cook over me through the bag, sir. All on the people, see how I feel.
What your fuck?
See the people. Mara almost done. Done the food now. Well bad.
Belly full, man.
Yeah man, full in belly already.
People nice. Just look out for the next
See,
video.
body done, man. I drink bag juice. Look out for the next video. Pigeon me out in the next video.
Pigeon one, maybe we do pigeon soup or the curry down the pigeon.
Right.
Look out for the next video. Oh, there, man. We can't do it.
Can't done
See
it.
that belly there? We are there.
One idea. See him there?
No
My
man
boy.
tomorrow, but one day.
One day, time will come. Yeah, people.
Then I give them all. Me not love rice people, I meat love.
I say meat tastes good. Yeah.
Everything tastes good, man. Build up on the sideline, man. Give him a little pips, man. See that? See one more. Call, build up on the sideline.
Yeah, man, people, see
How
there.
it feel?
Oh, yes, good, not so. Bad, man, bad people, bad. See there. They are beat off him there. Yes, good people.
Nice, man.
See the people.
Mm-hmm.
Mar, how much is that then?
Come on, Kaka.
Come play big. Alright, I eat people, see there.
People. Some guy doing good. Mm-hmm. Nice.
Alright, people, see there.
Bug, no? Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah, people, I don't know.
See there.
Meat, nice people. Food, nice. We are dealing with some pigeon soup or maybe with brown stew in the next video. This side, last side video.
You know.
Stay tuned.
Alright. Jerome.
Tough.
Tough.
Alright, bro.
Alright, people. See Jerome reaction there. Good.